In this particular video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up an intervention and a goal for a student. Choose Screening, Progress Monitoring, and Intervention. We have two tabs here. Be sure to be on the Progress Monitoring and Goals tab, and then select a particular class for a student. You could also search the student by first name or last name. Next, select a student by clicking on their name. And here, I'm going to choose Add Goal. Now first, I'm going to begin by giving the intervention details. So I'll give the intervention a name and choose a goal end date. It's recommended that a goal persists for at least a few weeks. Check more in the STAR manual for their specific recommendations, but between 6 and 8 weeks is a recommended length of time to allow the goal to show signs of growth or not. The starting test should be chosen to align with the most recent test given. And then I can select a goal type. Do I want the goal to be moderate or ambitious, or set up a custom rate? Again, you'll want to work with the RTI team or an IEP team in deciding what a particular rate is and it is appropriate for the student. Let's just stick with moderate here for this particular example. I'll choose Calculate Goal. Here we see some details populate onto the screen representing a scaled scored target for the calendar date that we chose. This scaled score target is based on a moderate growth, which is aligned with the middle or 50% of students who had a similar scaled score at the beginning of this intervention time. And next, we're going to choose Save. So now we see our goal. I can always edit the goal or delete the goal. Now, after some period of time, I may choose to monitor student growth with either an enterprise STAR assessment or the non-enterprise STAR assessments. After I've given a few assessments, I can check back in by generating a progress report to determine if the student's new trend line is aligned with our goal, or if they're exceeding or not exceeding that particular goal. More on progress monitoring in our next segment.